This is 2026. If you have a mobile application, if you have a blog website, a YouTube channel that you normally create content on, and if you're not utilizing these tools that I'm going to show you right now, you're going to be missing a lot right here in 2026. Right, so in this particular video I'm going to be showing you the tools that I use for my content creations, for my blogging, for my YouTube automations, and also for my Admob applications. Right, and these tools helps me discover the high CPM keyword that people from Taiwan countries like Canada, United States, and other Taiwan countries searches for. Okay, and you know what that means? When these people searches for your keyword and bounce into your website, that means you're going to be getting higher CPM. That is how much advertisers are willing to pay in your niche. Okay, so in this very video I'm going to be showing you these free tools that can help you discover all of these things. And the funny part is this: most of these tools you already have them, but you don't really know how to use them. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually use them, and the number 5 on this very list is going to wow you. So if you don't want to miss out on any of these tools, just make sure you hit the like button so that this video can go up to the next person that needs it. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to this very channel and also notify us where you're watching from, so I can actually make videos that will benefit you in your own country. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the video right away. The number 1 tool I use for my blogging, for my YouTube, for my Admob applications to discover high CPM niches, high CPM app ideas, high CPM video ideas is Google Keyword Planner. All right, yes, I know most of you knows about this very tool, but this is basically a new strategy on how to use this very tool, okay, so that you can get high CPM keyword that actually rank on Google. All right, for you to access this very tool, you need to head over to your Google Ads account. Okay, you don't need to run ads, you just have to create a Google ad account. Okay, because this particular tool is not a standalone tool. Okay, you can only see it on Google Ads. Okay, once you're logged in, the next you need to do is simply come over to this very page. You're not required to pay any money, you're not required to run ads for you to access it. It is 100% free of charge. Okay, once you already have an account. All right, so if you head over to this very tool, you're going to see a lot of stuff going on right here. You're going to see we have create button where you can actually create your campaign. On this very tool section, okay, you have to hover your mouse, just click on this planner section here, then you locate the keyword planner. When you click on the keyword planner, the whole interface is going to simply change. Okay, and this is where the work starts. Okay, and most beginners don't really know how to use this tool, so I'm going to be showing you how this tool works, and also I'm going to be giving you the right keyword and the right topic that actually get higher CPM on this very list. Okay, right here this is discover new keyword, and this one is get search volume and focus. Okay, so click on this very section right here that says discover new keyword. Okay, so just click on this. So when you click on that, then you have to simply select the country you want to target. Okay, so remember, you can see right here my own country has already popped up. All right, so you click on this and you can remove your own country, or if you want to target a specific country. Okay, so it's not really compulsory you target the country you are living in. Okay, so you can simply go ahead and skip this. Let's delete this and pick one particular country. So let's say we want to go for United States because this country has higher buying power. Okay, so this is United States, and that is the reason why you get them as Taiwan country, and they're going to simply give you higher CPM. All right, so if you click on this United States or United Kingdom, remember United States has more population than United Kingdom. Right, so you're going to be reaching over 323 million people. Right, so let's click on this United States. You can see right here, once you click on that, the map is going to simply change. Okay, and you're going to see it right here. Okay, you can simply click on this save button, and once you save that, then you have to simply type in your keyword. But remember, all keywords are not actually going to give you the same CPM. All right, if your blog niche is about, let's say, finance, business, you can simply add something related to that on this very box right here. Okay, you can add as many as possible, but you have to separate them with comma. All right, I can actually go ahead and add let's say card here, comma, let's say credit card, comma, then hit. You can see right here I've already added 2. The same way you can add as many as possible. So if you click on this get results, this is what it's going to simply do for you right now. Okay, you're going to see these are the keywords right here, and this is average monthly search. Okay, so this is the number of people that search for this keyword in a particular month. Okay, so if you go to competition right here, this competition is basically the number of people that have written about it and how easy for you to rank on this very keyword. Okay, this is where you can actually see the CPC, which is the CPM. But if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see other keywords. Pick the ones with lower competition. You can see right, if you select this, it has already been selected here was 1, and you can copy it. Okay, but if you don't want to only select one, if you want to select multiple keywords right here, click on this one, you click on this one as well. You can see their CPC and CPM are all cool. Okay, with this same strategy, we're going to do the same for all of the keywords right here which has low competition. Okay, so this is the first tool that can actually give you the best keyword to write about and the best keyword to make videos about on your automation YouTube channels. Okay, and the second on this list is SEMrush. Okay, once you head over to your semrush.com, there's another tool inside of SEMrush that gives you all of these metrics. Okay, just go to the keyword magic tool. All right, simply add the keyword you want to search for right here. Okay, so let's say we want to search for card. Okay, let's just hit on this and type in card. All right, then click on find keyword. Okay, so with the free tool, you can actually go ahead and search for like 5 times in a day. Okay, but if you log in, they're gonna simply give you more credit. You can see right here the keyword we saw on Google Keyword Planner, we are seeing it right here as well. Okay, and we have search volume, which is the same thing as the monthly search we saw on Google, and this one is the KD. KD simply means the competition. Okay, that is keyword difficulty. All right, and this CPC is just the same thing as your CPM. Okay, so for you to pick the ones with lower KD, click on this view keywords. It's going to simply take you to this very page. You can see right here, this is a broader section of this very tool. Okay, so this is where you can actually do some customization of your choice. Okay, you can see these are the CPC right here. This one is good, this one is good, 8.40. You can show it right here, but one discouraging part of it is that these are just on higher competition. Okay, so which means a lot of people have written about this, and if you try to rank on this very keyword, we might not get a lot of traffic from Google. Okay, the best part of it is that without Google, you can actually get traffic to this high CPM keyword even though they are on higher competition. Okay, so what do? You can actually use your social media like your Facebook, like your Twitter, like Pinterest and all of that to get a lot of traffic to your blog website. And also you can actually use the arbitrage section of blogging to do this, where you can actually run paid ad. Okay, so in my next video, if you want to learn the best tools that I use for my own arbitrage blogging, then in the next video I'm going to review all of them, and you might not see my video again if you're not subscribed. For you to filter to the low competition to keyword right here, you need to come over to this section that says keyword. This is KD right here. This is keyword difficulty. When you click on it, just select easy. All right, click on this easy button. When you click on that, this is going to refresh and you're going to see the color changing to green. Okay, you can see it right here, the color has already automatically changed to green. Okay, and all of this credit card, you can write reviews about them, then go out there and pick the affiliate programs and make your content. Okay, and by so doing, you can actually get some commission and also get more higher CPM to your ad. Okay, so these are strategies that will help you a lot as a blogger, as a YouTuber you are in 2026. Okay, and the third keyword on this very list that I use to get higher CPM to my blogs, YouTube automation channels and a lot more is this very one right here, which is called scoop.com. right, so you come over to this section right here. This is another tool that's going to simply help you a lot, and this one right here is the one I use mostly for arbitrage. Okay, and the best thing about this video platform is that they're going to simply give you some free version. You can sign up on this video platform, and with their free version you can simply make some daily research. Okay, so all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and sign up as a user. You can go with the free version. So apart from this very tool, there's another tool which is the fourth tool on this very list. Okay, so the one I recommend you go for is keyword2.io. Okay, actually works on all platforms. You can see right here, with this tool you can discover what is trending on Google, on YouTube, on Bing, Pinterest and lot more. All right, and you have to simply add your keyword. Let's say I want to add card again, because we're going with card. Okay, so remember you can add any keyword of your choice, select your country, but if you want to go with worldwide, you are cool. Okay, it doesn't stop you from getting the right things. Okay, if you click on this search button, this is going to simply refresh and give you all the metrics about this very keyword. Okay, so with the free version you're going to be getting over 656 keyword on that card. Okay, and the competition level right here is 0, and you can see the top USD bid, you can see it right here. Okay, so if you find out that the trend is going up, like for this SBI card, the trend is going up. Okay, remember this is just for card. Okay, you might add your own keyword right here, and you're going to see more better stuff going up, this trending with low competition and good CPC and CPM. All right, so the last on this very list, which is not the least in this very list, is the one I like so much, and this one is going to simply blow your mind. Okay, this is pyfo.com. right, so this is pyfo.com. right, and this is one of these two right here that I like so much, and this one has been existing for so long, and this tool has proven to work, okay, for me and other persons. All right, so if you search on YouTube, you're going to see a lot of creators using it, and this tool right here is going to simply help you to win AI in Google search. You're going to simply add your keyword right here. Let's say I want to add card. If you add card, then select the country you want to go for. They've already selected United States, which is also good. Then click on this search button, and you can see right here the similar keywords has over 11 million search volume. Okay, and most of these keywords right here, you can actually log in and see them. Okay, you can see this one. I'm not logged in yet. You can actually go ahead and log in, sign up on your account, and log into your account. And with the free version, you don't really need to pay. You can actually get all of these things done for yourself. Okay, this is where you're gonna simply see the cost per click, which is the CPC, which is the CPC right here. And you're gonna see that here, this is the monthly cost, and you can see this is the search volume right here. Okay, so these are the two I use every single time to run my own content on this very online space. Okay, I don't really know the one you're using right now that is working for you. You can share it on the comment section so that others can actually use your tool. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to be showing you the tools that I use for my arbitrage, both for Astra, for AdSense, Zoic, and a lot more. Okay, I'm going to be showing you all of these tools, and most of these tools are 100% legit, and all of them are free to use. Okay, and I'm going to be showing them one after the other and what I use them for. Okay, so that you can actually set up your own. You have to simply get in right now and get your asset up and running so that you can actually apply most of the things we teach you here on this very channel. Okay, don't miss out on any video I'm going to be dropping now so that you guys can actually get started with your online businesses. Okay, so if you found this helpful, hit the like button. See you in the next video.